Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the Pages app on iPhone and how you can add photo or video or even image gallery on Pages app. Pages is free for Apple users and is available on all Apple platforms, and Pages has a clean and easy to use interface. Pages allows multiple people to work together on the same document in real time. Pages app is helpful to make a precise document with photos or videos. So now let's see how can we add a photo or video or even an image gallery on Pages app. So first we have to go to the Pages app. As you can see on the screen, we have already opened Pages app and also opened a document, free document, blank document, more rather I can say. Then tap on this button. Here you will get to see a lot of options. You can choose photos or videos from here. Yeah, suppose we choose this photo. As you can see, the photo has been added. You can also add videos, or you can also even add image galleries. We are showing that. Yeah, you have to tap this image. Yeah, choose multiple photos. Yeah, so you can see here that we have an image gallery in the Pages app. So that is how we are going to add photos, videos, or even an image gallery to the Pages app while writing a document. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.